Hi, I'm Bruce Board from Board Insurance in Westlake Village, California. Foundation repair is part of the home, so therefore it's part of the homeowner's insurance package. The real question you want to ask yourself is, what is the loss caused by? If your foundation is damaged from an earthquake and you don't have earthquake insurance, then it's not covered by your homeowner's insurance policy. If your foundation was cracked by a fire, well, then you do have insurance for that sort of thing. So there's all sorts of reasons why a foundation might be damaged. Depending on the reason for the damage is if the coverage is there or not. Let's say, for instance, there was a huge flood and it washed away the foundation. Unless you have flood insurance, the foundation of your house is not covered by your homeowner's insurance policy. If you have a leak in your plumbing and it causes the water to go into the foundation and therefore it damages the wood that holds up the house, that is covered because it's part of the coverage of the policy. The way to be sure is talk to your insurance company and ask if your particular company covers that particular peril, whatever the cause of damage is. Foundation is part of a house, therefore it's covered by your homeowner's insurance policy. But there's a lot of situations in which a foundation might not be covered due to the cause of loss being earthquake or flood.